I missed a week. I had to go out of town. I had to go take the lady up to Seattle. So at the beginning of this, you're going to see a weird concrete skate park. It's actually in Kent, Washington. Park's awesome. Big full pipe. Fun to flow around, but rough concrete. And if I crashed, I'd lose all my skin. So I was by myself, so I just played around, pumped around. But it was super fun. And this week's 5-Trick Friday, I had to make a list because I filmed it. It took 2 different days to film it. I was really struggling on the last trick. I was proud of it, but I was really struggling on the last trick. Let's see what I start out with. I started out with a disaster up to nose pick. Not the hardest trick, but where my ramp was set up, my back tire kept hitting this railing. So I had to do it really far on the edge of the ramp. But super fun if you got a front brake, or if you do a foot jam, if you like being dangerous. Fun trick. What's the next one? Oh, I'm not very good at these, but I was real pumped. I did a over toothpick to back over fakie on this ramp. But I had to set up the truck so this to hold the back of this ramp. So there's no deck on it. Once you commit to leaning up into it, it's not that bad. You just can't let your back end swing out. I didn't want to smash the camper shell, so it was extra motivation to lean back and try not to smash out a window on my camper. Foo-fanoo to Icepick stall, up to nose pick. That trick's usually not that hard. I kind of was struggling again. I know that's a common theme. I'm always struggling here, but I finally got it. I just had to sit in the Icepick way longer than I like doing because the width of the ramp made it kind of hard. And then toothpick to fakie. I love doing these. You're going to see this in my How To Tuesdays. This week it's going to be toothpick stalls. And I'll show you a couple different combinations with those. The fakie part was kind of a struggle. My truck leaks a little bit of oil, so I was having to fakie through some oil and sliding out a little bit. But it is what it is. But the last trick, the one I was real pumped on, was I did an over Icepick on this ramp, then hop back over and land in a manual, and then manual up to my garage. There's a little kind of bump curb there, so I manualed up to an abubica back to fakie, and then a fakie decade. I did not pull it the cleanest. I don't care. My camera died also, which made kind of a bummer because I was trying to get 2 angles and it cut out at the worst time. So I ended up getting the clip. It was fun. I was really pumped I did that ice over back to manual. That one was fun. I think we're getting close to being able to film and ride at camp so I could show you guys a little more variety. I hope you guys like these 5 tricks. They took me a long time, a ton of work, 2 days. Next week I'll try to come up with some different ones. Kind of working a lot right now, so a little limited on time, but I'll give you guys a good one. Make sure and check out my How To Tuesdays on toothpick stalls. Super interesting trick. Once you learn it, it'll be your favorite trick. I can almost promise you. Everyone I know that can do toothpicks loves doing toothpicks. Super fun. It's like nose pick stalls. It's I don't know why, they're just so fun. It's so exciting. It didn't seem like you should be able to do it that easy, but they're not that bad. So make sure and subscribe to the channel. C10 BMX. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Later.